Terwyl die Weskaap maandag onder 'n hittegolf deurgeloop het, het die wêreld nog warmer geword vir inwoners van Fisherman's Cottages in Hout Baai. 'n Veldbrand het kort voor middagete in die vlei lande oor kant die woonbuurt uitgebreek.
When did this fire start?
At approximately 1:45, somewhere around there. That was my estimation. I wasn't at home. I was phoned to say that the reeds were burning. This is the second time they've burnt in probably a year.
Are you concerned?
Fairly concerned, but I know these guys are doing an amazing job. They're very, very brave to walk into the stuff and just fight it from the middle of it. It's exceptionally dry at this time of the year because there's no water in here. So they're doing an unbelievable job and they've managed to keep it away from all the houses around here. So I place my trust in them, but I've had my borehole water going for a while.
Inwoners het die brandweer bygestaan en dele van die vlei land nat gelei om te keer dat die vlamme verder versprei. Die brand was teen 3:00 die middag onder beheer, maar die brandweer het tot laatmiddag in die gebied gebly om seker te maak dat vlam nie weer op nie.